Click on the link below to get price. The WEN DF450i Super Quiet 4500 watt dual RV-ready portable inverter generator is a standout option for anyone seeking reliable power on the go. This generator impresses with its combination of portability, efficiency, and noise reduction, making it a top choice for camping, tailgating, or emergency backup. First and foremost, the Super Quiet operation is a game-changer. With a noise level of just 53 dB at quarter load, it rivals the sound of a normal conversation, allowing users to enjoy their outdoor activities without disruption. This feature is particularly beneficial for RVers who want to maintain a peaceful environment at campsites. Powering this generator is a robust 224 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine, capable of delivering 4,500 surge watts and 3,700 rated watts. This ample power output can easily support multiple appliances, including refrigerators, lights, and electronics. Its dual-fuel capability allows users to run it on either gasoline or propane, providing flexibility and potentially lowering fuel costs. The fuel economy mode is another standout feature, optimizing fuel consumption based on the load, which not only saves money but also extends runtime. Portability is enhanced by the generator's lightweight design and built-in wheels, making it easy to transport from one location to another. The compact size doesn't compromise on functionality, as it features multiple outlets, including two 120V20A household outlets, one 12V DC outlet, and two USB ports, ensuring you have the right connections for all your devices. The WEN DF450i also comes equipped with a digital display that provides real-time information on wattage usage, fuel level, and runtime, making it user-friendly. Assembly is straightforward, and the generator runs smoothly right out of the box. In conclusion, the WEN DF450i is a powerful, quiet, and versatile generator that meets the demands of various outdoor activities. Its dual-fuel capability and user-friendly features make it an excellent investment for anyone in need of portable power.